This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the PowerSmart app. First, navigate to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for PowerSmart and download the official application. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Once installed, simply tap the app icon to open it and start your registration journey. Next, you'll need to create your account. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button on the initial screen. You'll be prompted to enter some basic personal information, such as your full name and a valid email address. It's crucial to create a robust password. Aim for at least 8 characters, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to ensure strong security. After creating your account, you'll receive an email to verify your address. Click the link provided in that email to confirm your registration. Then, return to the app to complete your profile. This might involve adding details like your home address or your utility account number, which helps personalize your experience. Don't forget to set your notification preferences to receive helpful energy-saving tips and important updates. With your account set up, it's time to explore the PowerSmart app's features. The main dashboard provides an overview of your energy consumption, often displayed with easy-to-understand graphs. Dive into sections for detailed usage tracking, access your billing information, and discover various energy-saving programs available to you. This powerful tool empowers you to monitor and manage your power usage effectively, helping you make smarter energy choices every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.